Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mary's Creative Decor. On today, I will be bringing you a wall mirror. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm starting out with 8 of the 4x4 mirrors, some bling wrap, and I want to say, what is this? It's about a 1/2 inch, a ruler, your glue gun, and 2 or 1 poster board, which you want to cut in half. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is do the layout for the mirror. So I'm going to take the mirrors and I'm going to lay them in the design that I want. Now I'm laying out my mirrors in the design that I want, and I'm going to make sure that I space them 2 inches between to fit the bling wrap. My design is actually 3 mirrors on any angle that you look at it. So if you look at it, I have 3 mirrors going diagonally on every line. Then you want to take your bling wrap or measure the 2 inches between each row of mirrors. Now you want to take a pen and you want to draw out the outline of each mirror, making sure that you keep the 2 inches between each row. On the outside of every mirror, you want to go around and you want to add an extra 2 inches for the bling wrap on the outside of your design. Dry, and now we want to take an X-Acto knife, a butter knife, whatever type of knife you have, and you want to start cutting out the outline. So here we go. I've gone around my outline with my X-Acto knife, and now I'm taking some shears and cutting through the second layer. So I'm going to cut out the design. Once you're done cutting out your design, you want to place the mirrors back in place. You want to check to make sure they're in the right design. Remember, 3 on a diagonal will give you your design. And then I'm going to take some Fix-All along with some hot glue to start to glue my mirrors down. Now that my mirrors are all glued down and dry, I'm going to begin adding my bling wrap between each of the mirrors. Here I'm cutting strips of my bling wrap. I'm laying them in a position before I start to glue it down. Now you can begin gluing your bling wrap to the poster board. You can use E6000, Fix-All, or hot glue. I'm using a combination of Fix-All and hot glue, the same as I did when I glued the mirrors down. Once you have all your bling glued down, you're ready to move to the next step. I'm done gluing my bling wrap around the mirrors, and now we're ready to move to the next step. Gluing the bead wrap to the perimeter of the mirror. And here I'm measuring to see how many rows of bling I would need to cover the perimeter of the poster board. And looks like I'm gonna have to cut off 1 row to make it fit. Again, I'm using hot glue to glue the bling to the outside perimeter of the mirror. Make sure you take care and not to burn your fingers on the hot glue, because the glue can get really hot. Okay, we're all done. We're gonna flip it over and we're gonna put a hanger at the top. I'm using a wire clip. I'm hanging it directly in the middle because I am going to hang mine vertically. So I am going to hot glue that piece of wire to the top. It is light, so you don't need anything heavier than that. If you feel you want to use a better glue like your E6000 or your Fix-All, you can do that, but the hot glue is more than enough to where I'm going to hang it. And here is the completed mirror. I think it turned out really beautiful. Let me know what you think. And if you guys have enjoyed watching this video and want to see others, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tell a friend, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It was great talking with you guys today, and have a wonderful, blessed evening.